Now we will move to the exercise part, children. So first exercise of the lesson 6.1. So what is the question you are having means identify the terms, their coefficients for each of the following expressions they have given. In that the first one is 1 plus x square. So just when explaining the expression I have said the terms are separated from plus or minus sign. So here this is one term, this is one term, this is one term. Totally how many terms you got, children? Yes, it is 3. So the expression contains 3 terms. Now which are the variables we are having? X and x square. So along with x square nothing is there, that means its coefficient will be 1. Nothing is there means 1 will be there. In the same way, which is the one more variable you are having? X. Even its coefficient is absent. Absent in sense it will be having. How many x's you are having? 1x. That's why its coefficient will be 1. Okay. Now let us go with one more example. One more problem. X by y plus y by 2 minus xy. Can you guess how many terms here? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So the number of terms in an expression is 3. What is the coefficient of this variable? What is the variable here? X. Its coefficient is by 2 is there. It is nothing but a 1 by 2. Here also y is there. The coefficient of y is again 1 by 2. Even xy is also in a variable. What is its coefficient? Okay. Minus sign is there. That's why you should write it as a minus 1. Got it off? So let us go with one more so that you can understand it clearly. 0.3a minus 0.6ab plus 0.5b is there. So how many terms? Just check it out. 1, 2, 3 terms are there, isn't it? Yes. It is the variable here. A is the variable and its coefficient is what? 0.3. Now B is the variable. What is its coefficient? 0.5. AB is a variable. What is its coefficient? 0.6. But it is having minus sign. That's why you should write it as a minus 0.6. Okay. Now the second question, addition question you will be having. So add one more problem I took here to show you. See here, this is one expression and this is one expression. You should add it. First expression you write down as it is. Now while writing the second one, what you have to do? You have to arrange. Which is the first one here? P square Q square. Is P square Q square is present here? Yes. What is its sign? Minus. So write down that below that. Minus 3p square q square. Next, second term is pq. Is pq is present here? Yes. What is the pq term here? Plus 7pq. You write down that. So the last number is number. Here also number is there. Write down with its sign. No sign for 5 means it is positive only. So write down plus 5. Now check the terms. 1 is plus, 1 is minus means subtraction. 3 minus 2, 1. Bigger number is 3 and its sign is minus. So we are getting minus 1p square q square. Here again different sign. Subtraction you have to do. 7 minus 3 is 4 you will be getting. pq as it is. Add these two. Both are positive. 4 plus 5 is 9. Now you are getting the idea of addition, I think. Okay. So addition can be done horizontally also, children. This is vertical addition we have shown from the two problems. Now one problem I am showing with a horizontal addition. What is this horizontal addition? Writing the terms all together. L square m square plus. This is one more expression. Just I have combined it with a plus sign. Plus m square l square. Again plus n square l square plus 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl. Okay. Arrange it like terms also. See m square is here. It becomes a 2m square. N square is there. It becomes a 2n square. these cannot be added. All the three are having a different variables. So they are all unlike terms. They should be kept as it is. Now L square will be 2L square, 2M square, 2N square and 2LM plus 2MN plus 2NL. No like term is here. Here these cannot be added because all they are having a squares. They are not having any squares. Clear? So let us go with the subtraction problem. So here 4p square q minus 3pq plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10 from 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. Okay. So after from this is the expression we are having. Arrange it according to powers you write down. 5p square q I wrote first. This one I have written second. Then 5pq. Then these two minus 3p minus 11q. The number I wrote at the last. Now this expression you arrange one below the other. 4p square q square. The next term is pq square. Where is here pq square here? Plus 5pq square is there. Again minus 3pq should write. Minus 8p plus 7q minus 10. So like terms we have written one below the other. So it is a subtraction means I already said you have to change the signs. Positive one will become negative. See here it is plus, it became a negative. Minus one will become positive. Minus become positive. Plus become minus. Minus will become plus. Now you have to go with the process. Check out the sign of these two. One is positive, one is negative. Subtraction. 5 minus 4 is 1. P square q. Here both are negative. Minus 2 minus 5. You should add. 2 plus 5 is 7. Sign will be minus pq square. Here both are plus. Write down plus. 5 plus 3 8. Pq as it is. Here one is plus, one is minus. Subtraction. 8 minus 3 is 5p. Bigger is 8 and its sign is plus. That's why it is plus sign. Here both are negative. Add it off. 11 plus 7 is 18. Though I am saying plus, the sign of those two is minus. So you should write a minus sign. Both are positive here. Plus you write down. 10 plus 18 is 28. Got it off? So if any variable is not having any numerical coefficient means it will be having a coefficient as 1. So we have to consider it as an 1. So this is about addition and subtraction. Now let us discuss about multiplication also. So what is the multiplication? How to multiply the algebraic terms? That also we should know. So whenever we are having a multiplication, the first step you have to do is first multiply the signs. Signs should be multiplied. Then you have to multiply the numbers, that is numerical coefficients, and even finally variables also multiplied. And one more thing, here there is no condition. They should be like or unlike. Whatever it is, we can multiply the algebraic terms. Okay. No condition that they should be like that. Clear? So to multiply the variable, we use the exponential law. That means variable. Similar type of variables if you are having. See here, x into x means what is the power of each? 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So it is x to the power 3. Like that few examples I have taken. X square into x cube. 2 plus 3 you should do. So it will be x to the power 5. X square y z cube into x y z I take. X term you should add. 2 plus 1. Y power 1 plus 1. Z power 3 plus 1. Are you getting? So x to the power 3. Y to the power 2. Z to the power 4. So this is the way of multiplying the variables. Okay. So that is a similar type of variable power increases. The other will be kept along with each other. That is the thing you should know. So now let us understand how to multiply a monomial with a monomial. Monomial expression with a monomial. Here I took 2xy as one monomial and one more as minus 4x square y cube as a one more. I already said signs should be multiplied first. Here plus is there, here minus is there, plus into minus is minus. The second step is what? Multiplication of numbers, 2 into 4. The third step is variables. X into x square is 1 plus 2. Y into y cube is y to the power 1 plus 3. So minus will be as it is. 2 4s are 8 here. By adding x cube you are getting this as y to the power of 4. Getting? So this is about the monomial multiplication. Now let us check it out. How to multiply a monomial with a binomial. So here what we are doing, each term of the binomial is multiplied with a monomial. Okay, and product is always a binomial expression only. Here I took an example, 4xy is a monomial, 3x minus 5 is a binomial. How to multiply it? First 4xy into 3x you should do, and plus into minus, minus sign, again 4xy into 5. Okay, here again number into number. 4 3 is at 1, x into x, 1 plus 1 you will be getting y as it is. 4 5 is 20, xy will be as it is. 12 as it is, 1 plus 1 x square y minus 20 x square. So, still more problems of multiplication we will discuss in the next class. Thank you children.